Hello, today we're going to show you how to register as a corporate user under Privacy4Cars. So the very first thing you're going to have to do is to go to your App Store or to Google Play and download the Privacy4Cars app. The second thing you're going to do is that the first time that you log in, this is the screen you're going to be seeing. And of course you don't have yet an account, so you're going to need to hit register. Now, this is the important part. If you want to be a corporate user, you need to make sure that you register with your corporate ID. That means that you will need to use your corporate email. You cannot use Yahoo or Google, Gmail, or any other personal email. You actually have to use the corporate email. That's how we know that you are a legit user under that account. And of course, you need to make sure that your company is registered for Privacy4Cars. So let's suppose that you're told that your company has a corporate account and you want to be a user. So the first thing you're going to be doing is to enter your name. Let's suppose it's John Doe. And your email is jdoe at companyx.com, and you hit proceed. If you get this error message, then it means that your company is not registered as a corporate client, does not have a subscription with Privacy4Cars. So in that case, you may want to reach out to procurement or to whoever told you to sign up and making sure that their account has been activated. So if you are John Doe and you are john.doe at privacy4cars.com and you hit proceed. Now you see, you get this message, the one-time PIN has been sent. So all you need to do at this point is to log in into your email, enter your one-time PIN here, which let's suppose was 12345, that's not the right one. And then you get to choose your own password. Please choose a strong password. And so probably you do not want to write password. This is a really terrible idea, but just for illustration standpoint. And then you hit register. And once this happens, please do make sure you allow. And once you sign in, this is what you're going to be seeing with the big scanner at the center. You can turn on and turn off the flash here, and you can also make your scanner bigger by hitting that button. So that's it. That's how you register for a corporation, and hope that this was clear and that you will enjoy using our app.